Hey there. What do you want to do? You want to? I'm showing my toes. It isn't showing my face. Oh.
Her name.
Wait, well.
Sadie.
Oh, it's Sadie. 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 Oh, she's in. Do you want me to give you loves?
How loud it is? It isn't even quite as loud as it was. Now you get a piece of chicken if you're going to make her do a trick. You have to pay her.
All right, I'll give her
Give her a piece of chicken and cheese.
chicken and cheese. You ready? Oh, goodness, I almost showed your face. Ready? Spin around. Spin around. Oh, good girl.
Good girl.
Oh, here's the.
Did you get it? Blew our vacation.
It's raining and it just blew our vacation. Also, giant pool. Puppy. I figured out a good thing for my outro. Hey, do you want to do another trick? Chicken cheese.
Have her do another trick that Sally showed you.
All right, sit. Paw. Oh wait, hold on. Paw. Nice, you did. Sorry, I couldn't show that.
That's all right. You learn. Maybe for Christmas somebody will get you a light ring so that when you're, you know what I mean, to add light to your videos.
Oh yeah. My dad was figuring on giving me a camera so I could actually do like little gaming skits. Well, I mean that was my idea, but
Yeah.
Oh wait, I'm recording.
You're recording.
Wait, I was